Congratulations guys, you guys have just cleared the online part of the course here at Avoda. Amazing journey. You guys really deserve some appreciation. You guys have just completed all of the courses, completed the quiz, completed the assignments, submitted them. Very good job. The next part of the evaluation here at Avoda will be your mock interviews. As all of you know, the most important part at learning at Avoda is to actually go and end up getting a job, right? And the most important part when it comes to getting a job is actually doing an interview, is actually clearing the interview. And for that, we at Avoda have created the mock interview sessions. The mock interview sessions are the last and the most important part of your course, after which you guys will have completed the course here at Avoda. Right beneath this video, you guys will see a schedule for the dates and the time and the link for all of the mock interviews that are happening. Mock interviews happen every single week for every single subject here at Avoda. So just refer the schedule, find your course name, find your language, and find the corresponding date, time, as well as the link to the online meeting. So all you guys have to do is go on that date, on that time, go to that online meeting and attend the mock interview. As simple as that. A couple of pointers that you guys should probably be aware of before moving into the mock interview is what all you can expect, right? Mock interviews are essentially just a test, just a verbal test of all of the things that you've studied during the course. Now, this test could also be verbal as well as practical. For example, in my course, Digital Marketing, students can expect practical level questions, which they might sometimes have to show us via screen sharing, right? I mean, a mock interviewer in Digital Marketing could very well ask you, how did you set up your GCP account? Or how did you set up a social media funnel? Or how to set up vidIQ for your YouTube channel? They could ask you any of these questions, and not just ask you. If they are not satisfied with the answer you provide them, they could also ask you to share your screen. So it's also kind of important to have all of the work ready right in front of you, and also make sure that you know what all are the practical implications of the things that they ask you, right? That's very important. So be prepared with that. Now this thing is unique, and this thing is common to all of the courses. I mean, every single course here at Avoda, all of the mock interviews, they will ask you questions from the course, and they will ask you practical things from the courses as well. So make sure that you brush up on that. Point number 2, mock interviews generally take a long time. So whenever we do schedule mock interviews, we expect a large number of students to attend the mock interviews. Therefore, it might be necessary for you to wait longer than what you expect. So please be patient with the mock interview process. If you guys do end up logging into the mock interview, the mock interviewer simply will not stop the interview until your turn also comes. So there's no fixed time, right? So it's not like 12 to 1 p.m. That's not it, right? So let's say you have participated for the mock interview. The mock interview will continue until the last student has actually attended the interview. So that's good. So all you guys have to do is be patient. Third most important thing is that sometimes in the mock interviews you guys might face technical issues. Just remember, mock interviews uses the same app as the live classes, right? So all you guys need to do is learn. I mean, if you guys have attended live classes, then you guys already know all the possible technical issues, and I'm sure you guys have, if you've attended the live classes, you've already done that smoothly. But just to be sure, make sure that you refer the video that is also available below this video, so that you can know all of the common issues that generally happen during mock interview or while accessing the live sessions, and make sure that you clear those things up. During the mock interview, if you have any issues, make sure to contact the Avoda helpline at 93193-72709. Make sure you contact the helpline, get in touch with our team as soon as possible, so that you can fix any issues that you face during the mock interview process. Guys, lastly and most importantly, the mock interview process is integral to the entire learning experience here at Avoda. So please come prepared. Do not come thinking that this is just a mock interview, they're just going to ask me a couple of questions and go. No, please come prepared. Please come prepared, not just theoretically but also practically. So being in full confidence that you can explain the concepts that they ask you. All right, but you guys have gotten so far, so I'm very confident that a lot of you will be able to clear the mock interview seamlessly. Before I leave you guys, the last and most important thing is, during the mock interview, please be sure to ask your teacher whether or not you have passed in the interview. So it's perfectly possible that you have a misunderstanding that you've passed or failed. So once your mock interview session is done, please be sure to ask the teacher whether or not you have passed the interview, and whether or not the teacher has recommended your name for the next level, so that any misunderstandings are completely removed from the picture. So please be sure to ask your teacher that before the end of the interview. So guys, you guys guys have gotten so far. I am extremely excited to see you guys all get a job. So please attend the mock interview, learn up, brush up, have fun, clear it, and go get a job. All right. Thank you guys. Bye bye.